Good morning, everyone. This is 7:37 a.m. of 5th January 2021, and we are going to analyze the Nifty and Bank Nifty charts for uh, today's possibilities, the resistances, supports, and the range that we can look for. So here, yesterday, it was like a very volatile day, we can say. It was a gap up open, but slowly it sold off with a sharp drop towards 14,000. And from there, it again took the support as the European markets opened. It slowly recovered everything. The European markets were positive, and that is the reason we could recover the complete fall and closed above the opening high, and we made again new all-time highs and reached towards 14,150 on the spot chart, and on the Nifty futures chart we traded up to 14,175. So but today it's going to be a very like exceptional day, as the global sentiments are completely negative. We can see the Asian markets have opened negative, and yesterday it was a positive day for all the global markets, but today it's a negative day, and that is because of the US markets, which have recently closed negative. European markets, this was for yesterday. As you can see here, the US markets closed negative because of this kind of move, or this kind of down move that happened on the Dow Jones. There was a drop of around 900 points from 30,690 to 29,774, around a 900 points drop, and it could recover around some 400 points out of the 900. So still the 500 points drop was a very considerable drop on the Dow Jones, and this is because of lot of news around the election results of a particular state in the US, and also because of the Moderna vaccine, and a lot of other things as well. The second wave of the coronavirus that was announced in the UK. There are such negative news around there, and because of that, this was the continuous sell-off. And finally, there was a break to this sell-off, and there was a little buying that emerged towards the end. And as a result of this, the Asian markets have opened negative. So here, the important thing that we can note on the Nifty is there was a huge volume that we could see when there was a sell-off, and this huge volume covers both the selling as well as, because of this wick, there was a buying as well. Because of the buying, there was a wick. That's what is the correct thing. So this was the range that we were expecting for today. This was highly unlikely to break this particular support zone after the gap up, but because of the sharp selling, it broke. But from there again, it has taken the support. Today, um, it seems like from the Asian markets here, 40,070 is where we are going to open. So 40,070 is somewhere here. So we are going to open here. Now, once we open here, and because of the negative global sentiments, this is going to be a opening of around 0.75% negative already. But um, these news that is coming out is um, very specific to some of the countries, because in India we do not have such news of second wave and election results, and all these things apply to the specific nations, but still overall the sentiments are affected. I am expecting that from here, once it opens the gap down, probably it will maximum it can happen is it can come here, and from here it can take a support to go up. That is my expectation for uh, today, because 14,000 is a very strong support. The maximum it can come is 14,000, but if it breaks 14,000 it starts going down, we can actually expect this to continue on the downside. But my expectation, depending on what is happening around the world, is we might open gap down, but slowly start recovering this complete thing and may again close higher than this. So that is my expectation. And on the bank nifty, yeah, as you can see, it is trading in a range. There was a sell-off, the same as what happened in Nifty, but it is still within the range. We might open somewhere here, okay, and then we might again take support, and so expect this range to continue for the Bank Nifty. So that is what I can say on the Bank Nifty. Um, okay, but be careful, because the volatility because of this drop has increased a lot. Your stop losses will get triggered. So maintain a proper position size, stay safe, trade well, and trade with stop loss and proper position size. I think that's it for today, and we'll meet again tomorrow. So take care, trade well, bye.
To make sure that you do not miss out on the similar interesting videos on markets and trading, subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon.